Hi everybody, this is our lovely Hermes 3000 typewriter that we currently have for sale on eBay. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you how pretty it is and what nice condition it is in. You can see it's pretty clean. We haven't really tried to do anything with it. We did buy a new ribbon. This is the old ribbon because it was dried out. This has nice metal spools, but the new ribbon came on plastic. So I'm gonna send these with it, whoever is the lucky person to add this to their collection. I don't know if these can be reused, but they seem much nicer than the other kind. Anyway, here is the bell works, the one side. Like I said, we haven't really done too much with it. We honestly forgot we had it. It's just been covered up and sitting in storage, and we had a number of other typewriters, and I pulled this out and was like, whoa. Anyway, so that was a happy find. Here is the information on the back. There's a little mark there. Could probably be buffed out or cleaned. That's probably from where the case goes down with the little hinges. Here's the other side. You know, there's no real dents or serious marks. It's super clean. The case, I did clean up the case a little bit. Has a couple of dents in it, small dents, as you can see, but really it is pretty nice and clean. There's some like ink or something there, but overall really nice condition. A little bit of what do you call that, corrosiveness on the hardware on the cover, but nothing too major. All right, I'm gonna try to put some paper in here. I already did some typing. Like I said, I really don't know how to work this very well. I know the basics, and the margins are set, and I'm not sure how to reset the margins, but that's to hold your paper. This is to loosen your thing. Feed the paper down in. Okay, close it back up. There we go. All right. Oh, what did I do wrong? Okay. You can tell I'm an extremely fast typist. Very fast. And not very accurately either. So look, there you go. Tested working. Very, 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 very poorly. Anyway, there's a quick overview. Please let us know if you have any questions.